Yo, we are back with some good ass Last Blade.
Yeah, it's the other samurai game.
Yeah, from SNK. We had a small break because of Final Fantasy VII.
Yeah,
So
took a lot of time.
Yeah, but now we are back with some fighting game action, and we wanted to play some old school game,
Yeah,
and a game that we both really like. It's The Last Blade 2.
yeah, it's the one that I wished SNK had announced back in the day when they announced Samurai Showdown.
Yeah, it's
I
true.
was like, please be Last Blade.
Yeah, between Last Blade and Samurai Shodown, I prefer Last Blade, but only in terms of characters. I mean, gameplay-wise, those two games are completely different.
Yeah, different,
so.
and now we also like Sam Show, so
Yeah, it's true.
more games to lose.
So we're gonna play some offline matches,
Yeah.
and
Multiplayer.
Is it multiplayer?
Multiplayer.
No, multiplayer is online, right?
Ah,
Yeah.
normal mode.
normal
Normal
mode,
mode.
yeah. Versus, yeah, that's. This game also recently got the rollback treatment, so if anyone is interested, I mean both PS4 and PC version got the rollback treatment, so they should have a better netcode. So let's get it started.
Now we have to show you how to really play this game.
It's true.
No. So you have some options. BGM, natural sound.
You know what that means? You don't hear any music, and you hear only the background noise. And this is a very nice touch because it gives you really the feeling of a samurai match. You know?
Go to village though.
Is it village?
I think it should be village.
Yeah. Our favorite stage. Yeah, I have to go
Start.
to start.
Start.
Ah, you have to press square.
It looks like a little bit like Ukyo.
Yeah.
Sound.
You hear the crickets. You hear the crows.
You tend to tell.
And the sword classes. Wow. Whoa.
You got parries up, remember?
So this game is kind of like Samurai Showdown with combos. And don't expect some high level play because we only play this like casually, so we don't know secret tech. Or I also know that this game has infinites and some broken ass shit. We don't know any of that. Oh fuck.
I mean, you should shut up and play, man.
Yeah.
I was destroying you,
I'm
man.
just giving an introduction, man.
You talk too much. You can talk, watch me.
We have to stay quiet.
Oh, good thoughts. No, when you hear this, no, yeah.
Oh fuck.
We can't move. No. Wow.
Hey.
No.
As fuck.
Weak ass kick though. No. Yeah. No. I mean. No.
Yo, the whiffing. And this is dead. The damage is also high in this game, though.
And you have to be live by like Darkstalkers.
Yeah, kind of like
live bars.
Yeah. 2 live bars.
Get your boot. No. No.
Oh wow, I can't.
Grab boot. If you
You
hit.
also have spot dodge in this game.
No.
I
don't have.
Oh, is it character specific? Oh. Combos are kind of tight, but we chose the.
No. Combos are kind of tight. Does a combo.
There.
Yep. Oh, Madonna.
Oh, I can reach.
What? I was in you.
No. I think at one point it's in. What?
You live, man.
No!
Yo, what do you do, man?
Yo, I thought I was dead. Oh, I
It's
got robbed.
It's
Yo,
never over till it's over.
that's true. Number one rule in fighting games, and I didn't respect that. Let's go again with her.
Kochiro.
You can also choose speed. It's like
With chains.
with chains. Let's change the stage.
Just do random.
I just do random, yeah.
But we still not gonna play on natural sound though.
Yeah, always natural sound.
She's from the Shintan Gumi one.
Hibiki versus Kojiro.
At the same stage.
Yeah. It's
They
fate.
know. They
It's
know.
fate.
They
It
know.
was destiny.
Es muy destiny. Just jump.
Oh fuck. That's a command,
Ah.
right?
Yeah, it's like a. I call it a grab. Yeah. And it's already late. No! Why don't I punish?
Oh, you
got air parries though.
you thought. Oh fuck, I thought.
You were thought? What? No!
No!
Oh, this punch was shit.
No, it didn't work. I tried to do the super thingy.
Trying is not doing.
I get with his knock, yes, comment. Oh fuck.
I'll reach. No!
Oh, I got my parry. I got my range.
Poke. Poke.
Oh, that was a crosser. No.
No! Madonna.
I got him. And earth.
Just do something.
Oh fuck.
Mm.
No. No.
Grab.
Wow.
I know what you want to do. No! Didn't expect that. I'll do cross under though. No. What?
Yo,
I jumped, that was dumb.
span my finger.
Kinda look like that, You can choose. What do you mean? The ultra weave.
We can't reach. Yo, I had it.
Oh, Madonna. Madonna. No, oh, I can't jump on you. Okay.
Yo! I got it!
No, coach, no!
With the cross up.
I did.
That was a legit combo. Yo, that was nice.
That was bullshit.
Okay, she even can believe it. Like, oh, Alexein has done it. Let's go.
Macho.
Yeah, I want to play her again. We can't play the speed version because we are
Done.
kinda. But we prefer links in fighting games. So, but some characters are better in speed mode than in power mode. But as we are not pro players, it doesn't matter. We just play.
Just enjoy the game, man.
We doesn't die.
We. Fuck.
Oh fuck.
Okay.
I could have done better.
Never die again. Yeah.
No.
I was in you.
Ah. Come on, man.
No.
Yo! Can you follow up with something?
I think so.
No.
Not in the loft.
Not in the loft.
Not in the loft. In the Luft.
He tried. Damn, that's too quick.
No! I was in you! Madonna!
Stay away.
Madonna!
No, I did it. I did it. Stay away. Oh wow. Yo, I blocked at the last second. How do you do that? It's like V-trigger.
V-skill.
V-skill, yeah.
1 second. And then look at the time.
Schinkenspicker, how do you mean? Ah, I could have confirmed. Wow. Skibidi Scooty. I'm evading all your booty.
Alright, I have 0 life. That doesn't matter. I can win. If I get this fucking combo. No, falsche Knapschen.
Oh.
Yo! How?
The whiff punish.
I pressed L1
30%.
instead of R1 because I play with your command.
R1, right? Wait, what? My commands?
I do L1 for punches.
You can change that if you
It's
want.
okay.
Ah, already got Johns. Let's do one more with Hibiki and then we change characters. The stages look so beautiful in this game. It's one of the most beautiful games from the new Geo era. Nice background sprites. No. No.
Attack grab.
Oh.
Oh.
Yo.
A poke.
You're cutting my eyebrows with that shit. No. Okay, I can't punish that shit.
Ah, it's
Neither do you.
I cannot reach. Block. No.
Yo.
Let me live.
Anime. Ooh. Yo, anime.
Ma.
This is the super that you only can do when your life bar is lightening up like that. So when you are below a certain percentage. Where's your Eastern man? Wrong game. Oh fuck.
Oh, I cannot.
Oh, you have to find a better punish for that. Oh wow. Still recover, let's see. Oh no! I didn't believe. Hell. Oh fuck, okay.
No. No.
Oh damn.
What happened?
Dio mio. We're like really quiet. Was that like some kind of neutralization?
Oh, it's unblockable.
It's unblockable, is over here.
It's unblockable. Let's go with Setsuna.